Hello Python coders, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to build GUI Calendar in Python programming language. So let's start. So as we saw in the previous video, we have to install tkinter and tkCalendar module, but tkinter is a standard library of Python and it is pre-installed in Python 3. So we need to install only the tkCalendar module. So let's open our Windows PowerShell, click yes, and write pip install tkCalendar and hit enter. I already installed this tkCalendar, so that's why it is saying requirement already satisfied. Let's close this and open our IDE. And now let's create a new Python file and let's call this GUI Calendar. Now we will import everything from tkinter module. So write from tkinter import star. Then we will import everything from tkCalendar module. So write tkCalendar import star. And then first of all, we will create a window application using the tk method. So I'm writing root equals to tk. And after this, we will set a title to our window application. So write root.title and let's call it calendar. You can change this title if you want. And then we will set the dimensions by using geometry method. Let's give 600 x 400 and you can check these dimensions by hit and trial method. And after this, we will call our calendar method. So let's call it, and now you need to pass root, then year equals to 2021, and then month equals to 1 is for January, then day equals to let's 5, and finally we will pack this calendar widget and give padding in the y-axis equals to let's give 0, and at last we will run our whole application using the main loop. So yes, now let's run our application and test it. And here we have our calendar. As you can see, it is highlighting this 5 January because I have given day equals to 5 here. And let's change this padding now. Let's 60, and let's run this again. Terminate. And yes, now it is looking better. As you can see, it is displaying the title here, and you can try by changing this year equals to anything you want, then month equals to again anything you want, and just have fun with this. All right. So that is it. In the next video, we are going to start with our next application. I'll see you there.